Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The DIY Cassidy. I'm Cassidy and we have some great Dollar Tree Halloween DIYs today. I have just a couple of really quick ones, just kind of get us started, get us in the Halloween mood. So if you like cheap Dollar Tree decor that looks super high-end, stay tuned and let's get started. And I almost forgot, if you like Dollar Tree DIYs and you like Halloween decor and you just kind of like everything that this video seems to be offering, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and a subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow and I appreciate it a ton. Let's get to the video. Our first project is really easy decor using a Dollar Tree frame as well as Dollar Tree cards. So the first project is so easy. I mean, I'm not kidding. It's barely even a DIY at this point. It's so easy, but it really elevates to your decor. I like to do this for Halloween, for Christmas, really for kind of any season. And I go to the Dollar Tree card section and I find cards that I like and I pop them in a Dollar Tree frame. And it really just adds a cute little something. They have really adorable kind of vintage prints essentially on their cards, and so you can just go through, pick whatever you'd like. So I love this project because it's only $2. Actually, it's $1.50, and all you need is a dollar store frame, pick one you like, and then go through the card section. They already have their Halloween cards out, and find just some greeting cards that you like the print of. I like to do ones that say pretty much just Happy Halloween or Trick or Treat. You know, something that doesn't say, you know, my dear nephew, Happy Halloween. You know, those don't really work for this project very well, but go pick whatever one you like. I'm testing out a couple here. And it is as simple as opening up your frame and placing your greeting card in, and you'll see the one that I chose and the final result. The next project is a little bit more of a craft. It's a little bit more of a DIY, and that is making these really cool, almost like anthropology inspired bug decor, right? So let me show you how I made these in the... For our next project, you need the wood houses that they sell at Dollar Tree. They have them in different sizes, so pick whichever one you would like. And we'll also need some of their plastic bugs that you can find in the toy section. You might already have these at home and that would be great. I didn't, so I needed to pick some up. And for the first step, all you're going to do is paint the inner part, like where the colorful paper was, just paint that. I chose to paint it black. While your houses are drying, go ahead and set them aside. And we're going to paint or spray paint the bugs. I chose to do them gold. This is the gold leaf paint that I had on hand. If you have gold spray paint, that would work great too. After our houses and our bugs are dry, we're going to hot glue them into the center of each house, whichever bug fits on whatever house. Alright, you guys, that is all I have for you today. Halloween is starting to get in full swing over here, so expect more Halloween Dollar Tree DIYs. If you liked this video, like I said, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next DIY. Bye, guys.